Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our Grade 12 Biology Summer course. My name is Miss Abad, and I'm very happy that I'll be teaching you this course. It's my favorite one, and I hope that you like it and be interested in it as much as I do. As you know, the course starts today, July the 4th, and it ends on July the 28th. So we have 4 weeks, and during these 4 weeks, we have to complete a full semester work. You're expected to be working 4 to 5 hours a day, and you can split it into 2 parts because we are going to be working on 2 lessons every day. We'll have a bi-weekly meeting on Teams at 11 every Tuesday and Friday, unless we change the time. There is a daily check-in form that you have to complete and submit, which is very important. And I'm very happy that I will be seeing you today at 11 on our Teams meeting. You'll find the link in the activity feed. And also I will hear about you as you'll get introduced into the group in our first discussion post. So we'll start with some housekeeping tips. As you know, I'm sure that you have visited the homepage as long as you are watching this video. So this is the navigation bar with the different gadgets that you have. And I advise you to check all the announcements every day because every day there will be a day roadmap and a day presentation. Now you can have a quick look by navigating through the different gadgets and have a look into the assignment part, into the content, which is the main part of your work, and the activity feed. In the activity feed, you'll find the welcome note, a course overview video, and a post on how to communicate with your teacher. This is a pinned post that will be kept at the top of the post, and another one for the registration into the Gizmos application and the D2L Pulse application. The D2L Pulse application is very important because on your phone you can get any new announcements or assignments added into the course. So it's very important that you can have a quick link to go into your course homepage. If you haven't already checked the Student Hub in the Minds Online and taken your attestation quiz and the certificate, please do so now because you are required to post the certificate in our first assignment. So see the next slide. Now we'll go to the Student Hub on Minds Online. You're given 20 minutes to go through the orientation, take the quiz, attach a copy of your certification into the corresponding assignment in your biology course homepage. Then, when you're done, go to the next. Just stop pausing the video, resume the video. Now you can pause. Welcome again. In this part of the video, we're going to discuss the general policies of the course and the general expectations. So in this slide, you'll see the different ways through which you can contact me. The first and the most important is the virtual meeting on Teams. It's a bi-weekly meeting, so we meet every Tuesday and every Friday at 11 in the morning, and the dates and hours are posted in the calendar. You must join the meeting, and if you cannot join, you have to request an alternative appointment. And also you can request extra assistance if you need any further meetings, please do so. Always remember that I'm here to help you and to support you. So the course content is vigorous, but yet it's very interesting, and I will be happy to assist you in every way I can. The second way by which you can communicate with me is email. My email is posted in the activity feed. And there is also another email, which is by clicking on this icon in the at the top of your page. You can send me an email whenever you need assistance. And as you, for your information, I do check my email during my working hours. So I check it at 11 in the morning and I check it at 5 in the afternoon. And during these hours, I do respond as soon as I can. So please check your email daily, because also I do send you some important announcements. The third way by which you can communicate with me is the daily roadmap video that I post in the announcements, and you'll find it in the activity feed. So before you start working, head to the roadmap and check exactly what you have to do on this day. The fourth way by which you can communicate with me is through the daily check-in Google form. In the daily check-in Google form, you will find a question at the end that asks you if you want to share anything with me. So please feel free to add any request or any comment that you'd like to add. I do check this form daily. The second point that we need to discuss is attendance. Attendance is regularly marked through the check-in form. So you have to go to the home page, click on the daily roadmap announcement, click on the link for the check-in. Today's check-in form is also has also a link in the PowerPoint. And please submit it as soon as you can, because this is the first item I use to mark your attendance. Is this enough? No, because attendance means working. It doesn't mean just to show up on the home page. So you have to submit your work, and every day there are many tasks that you will be submitting. So I regularly check to see your lesson notes in your portfolio, and I also see the discussion posts, and I respond to most of them, and I follow all your discussions and all your comments and feedbacks to each other, and I do participate in the feedback. At the end of every lesson, there is a mastery check that you have to submit, and please try to submit it on time, because as you know, the course is rigorous, it's full of content. Every day you have to be working on 2 lessons. So try to follow this pace, and I'll show you how I can help you with this. And at the end of each unit, there is a unit task that you will submit, and there is no tolerance for absenteeism. You have to be present, you have to be working. It's just 4 weeks, but these 4 weeks are equal to a full semester. So consider that each day represents a regular week in the semester. Assessment and grading. 70% of your mark is on the term work, and 30% of your mark is on the summative evaluation. The summative final evaluation is split into Unit 4, which is a project-based unit in which you'll be working on some cumulative tasks that you're going to be preparing for starting from day 1, and a final exam. For each unit, 25% of your mark is on knowledge and understanding, 25 on thinking and inquiry, 25 on communication, and 25 on application. Collaboration and sharing are very important for learning. There are several opportunities for you to work together, and please do so, because this will help decreasing the load on each one of you. When the work is split over 2 or 3 persons, the workload is much lower than when one person does it all by itself. There are discussion posts through which you can get introduced and you can know each other and you can support each other. If you have a question, you can post it in the discussion post and the other students, your classmates, will respond to you. By the help of the daily check-in Google form that you complete, I can tell who is at which part of the course. So this way I can easily suggest the groups for you. So on each day you'll find a group suggestion form that will help you communicate with each other to work together. If you have a question, post it in the discussion or ask 3 classmates, then ask your teacher. So this is the end of this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it, and please start the next video to learn about our course content and expectations.